So what is, first of all, what is critical temperature? Critical temperature. What is critical temperature? It is, we can say, it is a temperature, we can say highest temperature above which a gas, we can say here, higher temperature, higher temperature on which gas can be liquefied, sorry, higher temperature above which gas can be liquefied, gas can be liquid, which means higher, this is a temperature that is a higher temperature above which gas can be liquefied, no matter what the pressure is low or pressure is high. It's not matter about the pressure, no matter pressure is low or high, pressure low or high, higher temperature above which means this is a temperature, critical temperature is a temperature on which the gas can be liquefied, that temperature is known as the critical temperature. If we talk about the critical temperature of the CO2, that is 31.1 centigrade. If we liquefy the CO2, carbon dioxide, so the temperature that we require to liquefy the CO2, that is 31.1 centigrade. Now after that, if we talk about critical pressure, critical pressure, critical temperature is denoted by TC and this is denoted by PC. Now pressure applied to liquefy a gas at critical temperature, pressure applied to a liquefying a gas, pressure applied to liquefying a gas at a critical temperature. What is mean by that? Pressure applied to a liquefying gas, it is a pressure that is applied while liquefying a gas at a critical temperature, so that is known as the critical pressure. Now what is the critical volume? Now what is the critical volume? What is mean by critical volume? That is the volume occupied by 1 mole of substance at a critical temperature. The volume occupied by the 1 mole of at the critical temperature and pressure is called critical volume. Volume occupied by the 1 mole of substance. If you are having 1 mole of substance, the volume that is occupied the 1 mole of substance at the critical temperature and pressure is called the critical volume. Now we are having, as we are discussing about the, we can say, liquefaction of gases, we are having some methods to liquefy the gases. Methods of liquefying the gases. Methods of liquefying of gases. First method is Lind's method. Lind's method. Now what is Lind's method? Basically in this, when a compressed gas is allowed to open or expand into a region of low pressure, it gets cooled. How? Here I am making the diagram of Lind's method.